Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Whose truck is that?
Daddy.
And you said it's what now?
Yeah. It's dripping, Mommy.
Huh?
It's dripping.
It's dripping?
Yeah.
Well, you better wash it fast. Daddy's going to be happy to know that you washed his truck today.
Yeah. What comes next?
You got to keep washing it until it's clean like the other side.
Okay.
Anything you want to tell Daddy?
Yeah.
Tell him.
Daddy. Oh, he's not gone. He's gone.
Where is he going?
In his truck.
Oh, anything you want to tell him about this truck?
Yeah.
You need to tell him to keep this thing clean.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you going? Hey, I can't find you.